Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a girl washing her hands. Let's start now. First, I'm drawing the girl. Look, she is watching the drawing. Now I'm drawing her body. There are bubbles on her hands because she is washing her hands with a soap. And I'm drawing her legs and feet. Let's draw a footstool. Now I'm drawing a sink. We should wash our hands regularly. And I'm drawing a faucet. Let's draw a soap bottle here. Regular hand washing is one of the best ways to remove germs. Now I'm drawing a towel. Let's draw a toilet paper here. Finally, I'm drawing a toilet. Hand washing is necessary to maintain hygiene. Washing our hands properly keep our hands clean. Cleanliness is one of the most important good habits. Let's color now. Yellow. Pink. Cream for skin. Blue. Pink. Brown for stool. Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Purple. Blue. Pink. Blue. Green. Orange for the towel. Red. Green. Orange. Green. Red. Green. Pink. Yellow. Blue. Blue for the floor. Finally, I add a little yellow in the background. Great job, my little artists. You are doing amazing. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.